ever since we made this rule, I've only sneezed twice. Like, ever since I kept getting blasted by this laser, bro, we only sneezed twice. I started sneezing only twice. My body said, whoa, no more lasers. But Starfish be sneezing 3-4 times now. It's like we swapped roles. Because, like, to be fair, you can't control, like, how many times you sneeze unless you forcibly stop. But it's not good for you. So, it's not something that should be punished, but I get why it's annoying. I can't bless you 27 times in a minute, okay?
核攻撃もね。
少なくとも核を撃たせたことで口実はできる。
レクイエム発射準備完了。
Okay.
神の祝福。